In Tripura.
Yes.
So till now, what is the situation when it may inaugurate officially?
This is the first goods train of MG from Bangladesh Railway entering Nichintapu today. This is the first day and first trial run. And the distance from Gangasagar to here is around 8.1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
And total project is 12.24 kilometer, 5.46 kilometer in India portion and 6.78 kilometer in Bangladesh portion. So Gangasagar is the first station which connects India, Tripura, Nichintapu. So this was first trial run and it has been observed successful. Now this train will go back to Bangladesh again after necessary formalities of this aviation and all. So there are 6 members team in loco pilots, 2 pilots and 1 UA engineer, traffic inspector. All of them you have seen. They are now entering their passports here. So I'm very happy to announce that it is a very long pending project. So it has been successfully inaugurated in the MG portion today itself. And BG portion, it will take 1 or 2 more months to connect Agartala station. This is open now. This may be considered to be open for goods traffic only by MG from Bangladesh.
What is the total cost of the project around?
Till now, it is 8.62
Crores.
862.5 crores till now. It is going to be a little higher as soon as it will be finalized.
Soon as it's fine.
Some
And
more works
officially, when chances are there to inaugurate officially?
It is going to open very soon. For MG goods train, it will be open very soon. But for passenger trains, there are some other technical formalities to be observed by Indian Railways and Bangladesh Railway Board. So then the goods train, then the passenger train will be open.
Sir, your good name and your designation?
My name is Kunindra Chaudhary. I am executive engineer in charge of this project. I am the engineer in charge.
Thank you.